I did. Eric's been here for a while. So we got Eric down here, a couple of good customers, Steven. I've seen a couple people beat bopping around. I pull up and it looks all happy-go-lucky here. Pretty. This is Eric's car, as you guys know. Freshly painted wheels. He got rid of that ugly yellow shit. So that's a lazy way to drive. And Eric goes and f***s his car all up. But the good news is it's fixable because he was planning on going over fenders, right?
Yep.
So that's good, whatever. Even though this is one of the few like mint stock quarter panel 240s and the tire rolled. Broke caster, huh? Yeah, lower arm. I think I got my lighting right. Eric always gives me shit for my lighting. This is pretty good. But the good news is we took my daily. I drove my daily down, so I'm gonna let him use my arm off of my daily. You know Steven's car. So I think his day will go on. This thing's been saying a bunch of weird shit about having knock. It's reading knock on the Power FC, but this is your second event now? Not anymore? Jenica said it went away.
After the wreck, bro.
You rev tuned it. You rev tuned it. Out here rev tuning knock away. So yeah, get this thing back on the road here in a few minutes and hopefully get some footage of Eric getting jiggy with it. What do you think, Pops?
Oh yeah.
You think it's fixable?
Oh, I think so.
Yeah.
Duct tape always works great.
Yeah, we're doing a duct tape quarter panel.
Got those drip stitches, all that stuff. That's what it's made for.
She's ready to rock.